Boosting your ebook sales with outsourced ebook conversion services. Ebook is the new frontier, and soon to become the new normal. Ebooks are finding increased patronage among readers. Publishers are increasingly leaning towards ebook publications. The recent lockdowns have accelerated the adoption of ebooks for multiple purposes. The advantages of ebooks are behind their growth. They are practically weightless, with only the device used to view them being the weight consideration. They can be stored in the millions in one place without taking up any physical space. They are easy to share through various digital channels. They can contain video and audio, including advanced graphics/animation. They allow for the highlighting of important text with ease and other such on-the-go manipulation. They are much cheaper than traditional books, sometimes free as well. Fixed layout conversion can overcome format incompatibility. Multiple ebook formats are vying to become the standard, with each jostling for market share/adoption. Incompatibility arises when one format is used in a device meant for another. Fixed layout conversion ensures that the content looks and behaves the same across devices and formats. Authors and publishers can face many modern-day hurdles. Wrong format use hurts customer uptake. Using outdated technology for conversion/creation can spoil the experience of the reader. Errors like language quality and accuracy may seep through, turning off readers. Outsourcing to professional ebook converters is the best solution. It is cost-effective. The turnaround times are quick. You get experts working on your books. Authors can get graphics and other complex content added. You can get the book in any format you require. You can even get additional services like image editing, IT assistance, etc. if available. Contact us. www.sunticdigital.com 1-585-283-0055 info@sunticdigital.com